Welcome creatives, Michelle here. I have a fun and easy Easter DIY for you today. In today's crafting adventure, I'm going to show you how to transform these wood bead wreaths into an adorable Easter wall decor. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it. For our Easter DIY, you're going to need 2 of these wood bead wreaths. I did pick them up from Dollar Tree. You can find them in the Crafter Square section. They are 10 inches in diameter. You want to find the one that has the best circle and set that one aside. Now this one that does not have the best circle, you want to grab it right here where it is attached. Try to find the center on the other side and you want to pull that. You want to squeeze this baby in half. And now I'm going to use my bolt cutters here to cut this. This is called a bolt cutter. They come in several different sizes. This is a medium size one. They do come smaller. This is really good to cut wreath forms and any kind of heavy wire. So I'm probably going to be removing a bead from each end. And then I have round nose pliers here. So I just want to grab the end and curl it in, because I don't want those beads to come off. And then on this side, you just want to unbend and separate the two. Okay, and then these you're going to bend again. We're going to make bunny ears out of these. Then we want to attach these on either side. I think I'm going to open this up and remove a bead or two to make it easier. In the description box below is a detailed list of all the tools and materials used in today's project. Okay, so I removed 2 beads and now I'm going to reattach this. I need that extra space to fit these on. Okay, then I just go in and I'm going to unbend the ends. From the center here, I'm going to go over 2 beads and attach one side. So I have one side attached. Now I'm going to go down a couple more beads and attach the other side. Okay, so I'm going to attach the other ear the same way I attached this one. I have both my ears on. From the center here where this ring attaches, I did 2 beads, attached, 3 beads, and attached. I did the same thing on the opposite side. And now I'm going to add some jute cord so I can hang this when I'm done. And I'm going to attach it here where both ears first attach. Now this area is going to be hidden with the florals, so I'm not worried about seeing any of the wire or the jute cord because that's all going to get covered. Okay, so now I have my hanger. Now you might need to play with the shape a little bit Go ahead and bend it until you get it to where you like it. And then as you can see, the ears kind of flop around a little bit. So to get those a little bit more steady, make sure that your beads kind of fit together well here where they attach. And then I'm just going to hit it with a little bit of hot glue to glue those beads together to help make it more stable. Just a little dab in between. So I'm going to let my hot glue set up there, and now I want to make a bow, and I pulled this ribbon. I got it at Dollar Tree. It's 1.5 inches at 3 yards. This comes out of their Easter section. I like all the Easter eggs. It has a faux burlap background. Okay, so I'm going to measure my tails here at 8 inches. Pinch and twist. Now on your tails, you want the nice side of your ribbon to face up, but once you come through and you go to make your loops, you want the nice side of your ribbon to be facing down. And I'm going to make 2 loops on either side at 4 inches with this ribbon. Enjoying the content and want to see more? Make sure to hit the subscribe button. When the notification bell pops up, if you hit that too, YouTube should let you know every time I upload new content. Okay, so I have my 2 loops on either side at 4 inches, and I want a center loop. So I came through and twisted again. And I want my center loop to be about 2 inches. And then to get back to the correct side, I come through the large and the small dowel rod here in the front. That helps me keep a little piece of ribbon on this side for my center loop. Then measure out my tail at 8 inches. You'll need a full-length pipe cleaner. Come right next to the dowel rods. Push your ribbon down to keep it stacked and lift out. Make sure you have a little piece there from your center loop on the correct side. Wrap those pipe cleaners around to the back. Pull nice and snug and give a couple twists. Okay. So I have a little piece here that helps to hold my center loop. I just want to pull down my tails. Make sure that they're facing forward. And then open up my loops. Now if you need to do any adjusting, just go right down to where it comes out and adjust it there if you need to twist or separate. So this is approximately what your bow should look like. I'll do my final adjusting and trim my tails once I get it onto the wall hanging. Now before we attach our bow, I want to put together our little floral bundle. And I have boxwood. This has a bunch of little, looks like little florals on there, but it's little foam pieces in pinks and yellows. And then this is a mini rose in yellow. And this is pink baby's breath. All of them came from Dollar Tree. So this guy's going to be my background. Enjoying today's content? Please show your support by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, and sharing the video with your friends. Okay, for each side I have 3 pieces of this, 1 piece of rose, and I'm going to remove the leaves, and 1 piece of baby's breath for each side. And I have some floral tape. You can also pick this up at Dollar Tree. So a piece of the greenery, some baby's breath, now the floral tape is pretty good about sticking to itself once you get it started. So you just want to wrap it around itself a couple times to get it anchored. And then I want to make sure that does not come unwrapped, so I'm going to add just a dab of hot glue and finish wrapping. Very pretty. You want to do that again for the other side. I have my bundles done. I did end up adding one more stem of the greenery in the back, and now I'm happy with it. So I have two that look the same, and now we're going to place them up here on either side, and then of course the bow will go in the middle. And to get this attached, I'm initially going to hot glue it, and then I'm going to wrap it with more of the floral tape. So I'm just going to hot glue it here onto the beads. And then to make sure that stays and that it's secure, I'm going to wrap that with the floral tape. Now that I have my florals on, I can put my bow on. I'm just going to use the pipe cleaners to tie it on. And here you go, we are all done. Isn't that adorable? With just a few items from Dollar Tree, you can make such a cute bunny wall decor. If you're looking for more Easter inspiration, you can check out my playlist by clicking here. Thanks so much, my friend, for stopping by. You know your visit is always appreciated. Have a great day, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.